This is a swimmer's exercise. What we're going to do is strengthen our entire back, the upper, the mid back, and the lower, and including the glutes. It's small but mighty, but it's very effective. You're going to go on the front of your body, lay flat on your stomach, extend your hands and your feet, make sure they're all long, face down at the ground, and we're going to swim, basically swim. You're going to go up, opposite arm, opposite leg, and release. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Once you get the coordination down, now we're going to swim. It's going to look something like this. Slow and controlled. Looking down at the ground, don't look up. You want to look down. Moving the arms left to right. Squeezing the glutes and the back. It's very small but mighty, but yet effective on building strength in your lower back. And there we have it. Those are swimmers.